Good gloomy morning again. Today is December 7th. I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady. Welcome to my channel. Even though it's gloomy, the snowflakes are falling sort of like in slow motion. I don't know if you can tell, but it kind of makes the gloomy day a little bit not so gloomy because the snow falling is so pretty. Alright, so today I just have two photographs. My daughter was here for a visit and she went out with her staff shopping and bought this pretty blue like sequined sparkly dress, and she was very proud of that. So she wore that here, and it's like a disco dress. And over here our grandson and son came to visit, and he was sitting on her lap and looking at this little Christmas tree truck, and he kept saying, "Ho, ho, ho, Christmas tree truck." It was so sweet. I have it on video, and it was just adorable. He's the cutest little thing, and she and him have such a special little relationship. It's so sweet. He loves her, and she adores him. And I think I'm going to this is where that brad was from the last page. I'm going to mount these on some kind of brighter colored paper, and I thought I would try stamping some red candy canes onto this page. So I need to get my red ink out. Well, normally the best practice is to stamp your pages before you sew them into the book, so I'm not sure how great this is going to come out, and I want to test my ink first and see how that is. Yeah, that's not very bright ink. It's pretty dry. I think I have one other red. Yeah, I don't think this is going to work. I'm going to get my other red one. Hopefully this red one's a little juicier. I think it is. I think I can tell already. Oh, no, not really. I don't think it's going to come out well on the page then. I guess I'm not going to. Let's try again. I guess this ink was. My inks are drying out. They are pretty old. Yeah. I think I'm going to go for a different plan. I don't think these are going to work. All right, I do have a snowflake, and I thought maybe I could try that one. You can see down here, it looks pretty juicy. So, even that one's not coming out great, but I think I'm going to go for it anyway. It's coming out okay. I think it's okay. I won't be able to put one across the middle, though. All right. It seemed like it was going to be fine. Let's see how that looks. I'm going to put one right down here, like that. All right. I think that's going to be fine with a little bit of, I don't know if I have anything purple for the background. This is pretty flat, so I don't think I need to put anything underneath it. But I actually might want to stamp it on the edge like that. So let's go ahead and put something underneath it. Well, I think it's showing up pretty good. Not perfect by any means, but it'll do the trick. Something a little bit different than what I've been doing. And the other day I was watching Nicole on Relax Cut Glue again, and she had made some really cute origami wreath ornaments, so I made a few of those, and I think that's what we're going to do tomorrow. So, and we'll put this here. Yes, now I just need to find some paper for the backups. And I'm also going to need my number. Right, well, I did not have anything purple for a background, so I thought I can either do this, because this also kind of looks like it could be snow, or I've got this, which I don't think will even really show up. So scratch that. And I'm not sure I even have enough of this, but yeah, I do. That. And I think I'm just going to go ahead with the blue. Yes, I do. So let's cut that off where we want it. And we'll do our mounting. Uh-oh. And this fell off. It didn't go back on too great, I guess. Alright, and so now we'll just cut right there. And then we'll make another one the same size. How's your day going? Are you having snow? Do you live in an area that's cold enough for snow? So I'm just going to glue these on. I have been watching some dumb, silly Christmas movies. This is our first year with our daughter living in a group home, which she absolutely loves. But I'm having a little trouble adjusting to having nobody to take care of and not much to do. I've been looking for a job. Part-time job. I don't want to work full-time. And I'm like a substitute babysitter for my grandson. But I need to earn a little money because, you know, I don't know if you watched another video of mine where we got a new car. We had no choice. And now I have to start paying for Medicare in January. But I'm too young for my I'm not my full retirement age yet, so I don't want to collect Social Security yet. I want to get the full amount. So I have to figure out how I'm going to pay for my Medicare. It's another added expense, which, you know, we knew was coming. But it would be nice if I could earn a few dollars to pay for that. So... but we're looking forward to having, I think, everybody up at Christmas. Maybe not all on Christmas Day, but they'll all be coming at some point. So that's nice. Now I'm just going to get my number, and we are going to be done. Alright, so it's black, red, or white. Those are our choices. White, I don't think, is going to show up unless I put it on the picture. What is today anyway? 7. Let's see how a white 7 would look right here or here. I think that would look good and give us a little variety. I've been using a lot of red lately, so we'll go ahead and do that. That's what happened on actually day 6, but we're using it as day 7. And now I'm going to show you what we'll be working on tomorrow. These lovely little ornaments. I made mine out of origami paper. We can hang it like this. And it was very hard to figure it out, but once I did, it wasn't so hard to do. Figuring out the placement and everything and how to fold it was a little confusing, but now I have to say I don't like the kinds with just solid colors. Those are not my favorites. So I like the ones that have a pattern on every side. So tomorrow we'll make these. I think we might make an extra large one. I don't know, we'll try. And we'll see what we can do with that. So thanks so much for watching. And we will see you again for day 8. Hope you're happy and healthy and doing well, and we'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.